Welcome back to FLA Labs. Today I'm going to show you how to 3D print a Halloween fidget toy, even if you don't have a 3D printer of your own. Check it out. So I decided to conduct a poll to find out how many of my viewers have a 3D printer, and I was shocked to find out that most of you do. But for the 10% of you that don't have a 3D printer, don't worry, I have a solution. So head on over to Thingiverse and you'll find the Halloween fidget toys that I've uploaded. The files are free to use. Next step is to take those files and upload them at JLC PCB.com. They now offer 3D printing in ABS, black and white. So we're gonna go ahead and 3D print the bat and the ghost and check out how it looks.
Several days later.
I have to say that these prints came out even better than I was expecting. The joints work perfectly and the finish is perfectly smooth. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to use the link in my description for discounts on all your 3D printing needs. As always, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for this channel to stay up to date. Here's another video that I think you'll like right here.